Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and staying home safely. So students, myself your computer and GK teachers from LPM Public School near Tehsil Chowk, Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. So students, today we are going to study about some question answers in GK subjects, that is topic current affairs. So in this we will do some question answers related to the current affairs. So let's start the current affairs of this question and answers. So let's start with the current affairs. This is the question number 1. Name the scheme which has been inaugurated by Kerala CM to improve the health sector of the state. I repeat the question. Name the scheme which has been inaugurated by Kerala CM to improve the health sector of the state. So the answer is E-Health Kerala scheme. Answer is what? E-Health Kerala scheme. Spelling is small e, then H-E-A-L-T-H, health, K-E-R-A-L-A, Kerala, S-C-H-E-M-E, scheme, E-Health Kerala scheme. Now come to the next, that is question number 2. Which Bollywood actress is the new ambassador of Swachh Bharat Mission Youth based Swachh Sathi program? I repeat the question again. Which Bollywood actress is the new ambassador for Swachh Bharat Mission Youth based Swachh Sathi program? So the answer is Dia Mirza. The answer is Dia Mirza. D-I-A-M-I-R-Z-A. D-I-A-M-I-R-Z-A. Dia Mirza was the Bollywood actress, is the new ambassador for Swachh Bharat Mission Youth, that is based on Swachh Sathi program. Now come to the next, that is question number 3. Who is the current minister of Pondicherry? Who is the current minister of Pondicherry? So the answer is N. Rangaswamy. N. Rangaswamy is the current minister of Pondicherry. The spelling is R-N-Rangaswamy. N. Rangaswamy. Then come to the next, that is question number 4. When is the Indian Air Force Day celebrated? When is the Indian Air Force Day celebrated? So the Indian Air Force Day is on October 8. It is here. When is the Indian Air Force Day celebrated? So the Indian Air Force Day celebrated on when? It is celebrated on October 8. It is celebrated on October 8. O-C-T-O-B-E-R. October 8. Now come to the next question, that is question number 5. That is question number 5. In question number 5, name the tower which was lighted up in tricolor of India on Republic Day 2017. I repeat the question again. Name the tower which was lighted up in tricolor of India on Republic Day 2017. Okay, the answer is, can you guess which tower has lighted up in tricolor of India on Republic Day 2017? Yeah, the answer is Burj Khalifa. The answer is Burj Khalifa. Burj Khalifa is the tower which was lighted up in tricolor of India on Republic Day 2017. The spelling is BURJ, Burj Khalifa. KHALIFA, Burj Khalifa. Now come to the next question, that is question number 6. On which day the National Technology Day is celebrated? Can you know, students, on which day we celebrate the National Technology Day? So the answer is what? The answer is 11th May. The answer is 11th May. On 11th May, the National Technology Day is celebrated. On 11th May, the National Technology Day is celebrated. The next question is, that is question number. In question number 7, see here, who was the current Army Chief of India? Who was the current Army Chief? I repeat the question again. Who was the current Army Chief of India? The answer is Bipin Rawat. The answer is what? Bipin Rawat. BIPIN. Bipin Rawat. 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 So Bipin Rawat is the current Army Chief of India. Now come to the next question, that is question number 8. Which state became the first in India to have an open government data portal? I repeat the question again. Which state became the first in India to have an open government data portal? Can you know which is that state? Yeah, the answer is Sikkim. Spelling is SIKKIM. Sikkim. So Sikkim is the state that became the first in India to have an open government data portal. Now come to the next question, that is question number 9. The 104th Indian Science Congress, that is ISC, was held in which state in January 2017? I repeat the question again. The 104th ISC means ISC's full form is Indian Science Congress was held in which state in January 2017? So the answer is Andhra Pradesh. The answer is Andhra Pradesh. Spelling is ANDHRA. Andhra Pradesh. 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 So Andhra Pradesh is the 104th Indian Science Congress which was held in January 2017. So come to the next question, that is question number 10. Question number 10. So in question number 10, see here, India's first bus to run on biogas started from which of the following cities? I repeat the question again. India's first bus to run on biogas started from which of the following cities? Can you guess? So yes, the answer is Kolkata. The answer is Kolkata. Kolkata is the city where the first bus is to run on biogas. Okay? So the spelling is KOLKATA. Kolkata. Now come to the next question, that is question number 11. How many independent countries are there in the world? I repeat the question again. How many independent countries are there in the world? So the answer is 195. 195 independent countries are there in the world. Now come to the next question, that is question number So next question is, that is question number 12. Who is the Defence Minister of India? Who is the Defence Minister of India? The answer is Rajnath Singh. R-A-J-N-A-T-H. Rajnath S-I-N-G-H. Singh. So Rajnath Singh is the Defence Minister of India. Now come to the next question, that is question number 13. Which is the richest state of India? I repeat the question again. Which is the richest state of India? Answer is Maharashtra. That is Maharashtra. Maharashtra. So Maharashtra is the richest state of India. The next question is, that is question number 14. In which two countries the war was held before 3 or 4 months? I repeat the question again. In which two countries the war was held before 3 or 4 months? So the answer is Russia and Ukraine. Spelling is R-U-S-S-I-A, Russia, U-K-R-A-I-N-E, Ukraine. So Russia and Ukraine are the two countries that the war was held before 3 or 4 months. Now come to the next question, that is question number 15. When do we celebrate National Labour Day? I repeat the question again. When do we celebrate National Labour Day? So the answer is 1st May. What is the answer? 1st May. M-A-Y. So on 1st May we celebrate International Labour Day. Now come to the next question, that is question number 16. Question number 16. In question number 16, who is the new Army General? Who is the new Army General? Students, can you guess? Yeah, who is the new Army General? Yeah, the answer is General Manoj Pandey. General Manoj Pandey. G-E-N-E-R-A-L. General M-A-N-O-J. Manoj P-A-N-D-E. Pandey. So, General Manoj Pandey is the new Army General. Now come to the last question, that is question number 17. Which is the longest river on the earth? Can you know which is the longest river on the earth? Yes, it is Nile. N-I-L-E. Nile is the longest river on the earth. Okay? The Nile is the longest river on the earth, which is situated in Africa. Where it is located? It is situated in Africa. So by these students, we have done today total question 1 to 17 current affairs. So let's go through this video. Please learn by heart all these current affairs. Okay? And write it in your fair copy. Write the following current affairs in your fair copy, and whenever the school will get reopened, you have to come and submit your fair copy for the correction. So please be active, be concentrate on your study, and please stay home safely and safety. Thank you for listening me. We will meet in the next video with the next topics. So by this, bye.